In the heart of the African savannah, where the sun painted the sky with hues of gold and orange, lived a mighty elephant named Elara. Elara was known throughout the land for his immense size and gentle demeanor. One day, a strong wind blew across the savannah, bringing dust and discomfort to all the animals. Elara, with his large ears, felt the wind's wrath the most. The wind roared, "Why don't you use your large ears to shield yourself from me?" Elara tried to fold his ears inward, but it was of no use. The wind continued to blow, causing him discomfort. He felt discouraged and uncertain, wondering if there was anything he could do. Remembering the wisdom of his elders, Elara decided to seek their advice. The wise old elephants told him, "Embrace the wind, Elara. Let it mold you into a stronger being. Your large ears are not a burden, they are your strength." Elara returned to the wind, this time with a new perspective. Instead of trying to shield himself, he let the wind blow through his ears. The wind, now not causing him discomfort, continued its journey across the savannah. From that day forward, Elara stood tall and proud, his large ears flapping in the wind. He had learned that everything, even the most challenging circumstances, could be turned into an opportunity for growth. The moral of the story is, embrace challenges, for they shape us into stronger beings. Let adversity mold you, and you will find your strength.